we'll guide you through how to replace blocks in Litematica Minecraft. If you guys find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, ringing the bell icon and leaving a like. Let's get right into it. So if you want to replace a certain block in Litematica and add something else over there, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. It's actually really simple. Make sure you have a stick equipped, and once you have the stick equipped, press your control key and then scroll up or down on your mouse scroll wheel to change between modes. We need to change the modes until we are at the replace block mode, like I am right now. And then once we're at the replace block mode, we can simply select the area that we want to replace. These are sand blocks right here. So if I left click here, go to the top left corner and right click here, this is the total area selected, which will be replaced. Before I show you the next step, I have to say a huge thanks to Apex Hosting for sponsoring this video. They offer lag-free customizable servers which are ready in just a few minutes. They offer basic servers all the way up to advanced servers, and you could also customize your experience fully tailored to your needs. You can instantly switch between 20 plus games and over 200 plus mod packs at the click of a button. These are all the perks: a free subdomain, unlimited slots, 24/7 server support, and automated backups. They have servers in various locations for amazing connectivity, and the people absolutely love it. Me and my friends use Apex Hosting personally to host our Minecraft servers, and they've never let us down, and they have exceptional customer support. So be sure to check them out, linked in the description of the video and the pinned comment. Let's get back to it. So now that we have the blocks selected, we simply left click over here, right click where we want it to end, and this area is now selected. Now we need this sand block to be recognized. As you can see on the bottom left hand side, it says replace block of diamond. That's not the correct block that we want to replace. So all we need to do is press shift and then the middle mouse button, which is the scroll wheel button, but we don't scroll it, we just tap it in. So shift and tap in the scroll wheel button, and there we go. It says replace sand now. And now the material we want to replace this with would be a block of diamond, for example. You could choose whatever you want. Now we press Alt and the middle mouse button. So just press Alt and then push in your scroll wheel. And as you can see, it says block of diamond. So we are replacing sand with a block of diamond. Now all we have to do is hit our execute key. For me, it is K. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit K. And there we go, our blocks have been replaced to diamond. If you don't know what your execute key is, you could always go to the Litematica menu by pressing M, go into configuration menu, and under the hotkey section, quickly search execute here. And as you see, execute operation is on K. You can reset this, change this to whatever key you want. And once you have it bound, just press your execute button to make the task happen. That's been it for today. We hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you did, please consider liking the video and subscribing to our channel. Thanks very much for watching, and peace.